Hello guys, I'm Atanasyanko from Nasio Themes, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to create multiple user introduction tours in WordPress using the Simple Tour Guide plugin. To create more than one tours, you need to have the Pro version of the Simple Tour Guide plugin installed, and then you need to go to Dashboard, Steps, Tours, and you need to create a tour. I'll give it a name default, and these are the default options. We're going to keep them for now. We're just going to remove the checkbox from show the tour only once, because this is useful for debugging purposes. We have added the default tour, and now we're going to add another tour. And we're also going to keep the same options. Now we need to add steps to the tours, because otherwise the tours will be empty and they will not show. So we go to add new step, and we'll add a few steps to the tour. One very important detail here is that we need to assign the step to a tour, otherwise the step will not show. So I'll assign this one to default, and I'll add two more steps to the default tour now. After we are done with that, we can check what we have achieved by going to the home page, and we'll see that we already have the default tour displayed. Second tour is still missing because I haven't added the steps yet for it, and I'll go back to the dashboard, steps, add new step, and I'll add one step for the second tour, and I can upload an image. So it will be step with image inside. And don't forget to assign the step to a tour, because otherwise it will not show. Now, if we go to the front end of the website, we'll see that we have two tours in place. And this is the case for all the pages of the website, which is of course not what we want. We would like to have one tour for the home page and another tour for, let's say, level 1 page. So this is how we can do that. We go to the tour settings, steps, tours, click on the tour we want to show on a particular page. We uncheck the box, show the tour on all pages, and we update the tour. So in this way, the tour will be displayed only where we have added its shortcode. And we'll do that for the second tour too. Each tour has a unique ID, which helps us to differentiate between the tours. And this is the shortcode we're going to use to display the tour. I'm going to remove this checkbox once again because that's pretty important. Otherwise, the tour will keep on showing on all pages. And now we need to copy the shortcodes and to add them to the pages where we want them to show. Because right now, since we uncheck the box to show on every page, both of the tours will not be displayed. And to display the first tour on the home page, we need to edit the page and add the shortcode I've just copied. It doesn't really matter where, but it should be a place where it's easy to find for you. I'll add it in the footer and I'll press save. And now this particular tour will appear on the home page, but it will not appear anywhere else on the website. And now we're going to repeat the process for the other tour. We can also use the table here to copy the shortcode. And we go to level 1 page, edit page, and just how we did it before, we're gonna add the shortcode, press save, and the second tour will appear in this page. Well, that's all. Thank you all for watching. Have a nice day, and I wish you success with your project. Bye-bye.